How to block pop-ups in Safari on the iPhone? Let's go. I'll show you. It's really quick. You're going to open the settings option on your iPhone, tap it. Now please scroll all the way down because you are going to carefully tap on the apps option. Now within the extensive list of applications, diligently look for Safari, or you can simply tap up here at the top and then precisely type in Safari. It will show up here. Just tap on it. But if you look down here, scroll down a little more, you'll find the block pop-ups option, okay? So, to stop getting those ads, some of them really misleading, that pop up when you're using Safari, just tap the circle next to it, tap to check it, and that's it. I've just blocked pop-ups in Safari on the iPhone, okay? So in this case, when I'm browsing now, I won't be bothered by those annoying ads anymore, okay? That's it. I hope I helped anyone who wanted to know how to block pop-ups in Safari on the iPhone. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.